I'm in Central Florida. It's a region known as Bone Valley. They've been mining phosphate here for over 100 years. If you don't know, phosphate's used in fertilizer for farming, so it's basically helping feed America. If you've ever driven through this region, you've probably seen these big crane-looking machines, but they're actually called draglines. And we're going to go up and take a look at some real quick.
Flying this region gives me chills. These draglines look like mechanical dinosaurs still roaming Bone Valley, named for the prehistoric fossils they unearthed. It takes a single dragline about a month to chew through 15 acres, scooping 70 tons at every swing. These walking steel giants have a boom stretching 136 feet and a bucket big enough to swallow a full-size car in one bite. Here's one of the legends herself, Princess Grace, a mighty dragline that's been stripping overburden for years, still going strong. Florida's mines produce more than 60% of the nation's phosphate, the essential nutrient that grows the food on our tables.